Let's take a look at this problem. We want to find the slope of a line that is parallel and perpendicular to the line negative 3x minus 5y equals 2. So we got negative 3x minus 5y equals 2. Well, first, to figure out what a line or a slope that's parallel and perpendicular to this, we have to figure out what the slope of this line is. Easiest way to do that is to put it in slope-intercept form. Now, slope-intercept form means you solve for y. So I'm going to take this negative 5y and move it to the right side. And we want to move the 2 then to the left side. So I got negative 3x minus 2 is equal to 5y. Remember, you take anything across or equals, your sign changes. Then we want to divide everything by the number in front of your y, which is a 5. So we've got negative 3/5 x minus 2/5 is equal to 5/5 y. Or negative 3/5 x minus 2/5 is equal to y. So this is in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form means you got y by itself. And when you got in slope-intercept form, and it's linear. When you got slope-intercept form, then your slope is whatever number is in front of your x. So my slope is negative 3/5. Now, parallel lines have slopes that are the same. So since we're looking for one parallel to this, and this is negative 3/5, then our parallel will be negative 3/5. Now the perpendicular. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So we're going to start with the slope. So start with a given slope. So that's our negative 3/5. We're going to write it in fraction form. So we're going to write it in fraction form. Now this one's already in fraction form, but imagine if you had 5, for example. You'd write 5 over 1. You can always create a fraction by putting it over 1. And then we're going to flip it. Top goes bottom, bottom goes to top. So negative 3 over 5 becomes 5 over negative 3. So flip it. That's the reciprocal part. And then we're going to change its sign. So it goes from a negative 5/3 to a positive 5/3. Now once you get used to it, it's a pretty straightforward idea. Negative reciprocals, you flip it, change the sign. Now our answer for parallel is negative 3/5, and our answer for perpendicular is 5/3. Now instead of calling that as negative reciprocal, some books call it opposite reciprocal. So there's different names you'll see on that. But those are our answers.